Hello and welcome to Techposts Guides. I'm Ravi, and in this video I will show you how you can download, install and set up Gcam 7.4 with astrophotography mode on your Samsung Exynos devices. So if you own a Samsung Exynos device such as S8, S9, S10, S20, Note 8, Note 9, Note 10, Note 20 and was waiting for Gcam 7, watch this video till end to know everything about it. So this is the Gcam 7.4 based modded version for Samsung Exynos devices. This Gcam is developed by Kupati Maniac, so thanks to the developer for this version. I have provided the link of the developer in the description, so if you want to help in the development of this project, consider supporting the developer. Now back to the Gcam 7.4, I have installed it in my Samsung S10 phone and mostly things are working fine except the front camera, which works only in video and time-lapse mode. Now one important feature that was introduced in Gcam 7 is the astrophotography mode. In 7.4, this is available in night sight mode under settings. You can turn it on and then choose the focus mode to infinity for it to work properly. However, one important note is that you don't see anything on the screen, and it seems like this astrophotography mode is not working for now on Samsung Exynos devices even after enabling it. I have tried tripod and other several settings as well, but the astrophotography mode in this 7.4 version is not activated or maybe not working. Or maybe I'm doing something wrong because it requires a stable position such as on tripod, and even a little shake can disable the astrophotography mode. So yeah, you can download it, install it. I will show you how to do that and tell me if you get this mode working on your Samsung Exynos device. Now let's get to the installation part. To install Gcam 7.4 on your Samsung Exynos device, visit the site. The link is in the description. Click on download Gcam, then choose the latest available version from the options. This will open a new tab. Here you need to wait for a few seconds and then click on free access with ads. Make sure you have disabled the ad blocker in your browser. Now click on discover interesting articles and click on cross button. After a few seconds, click again on the cross button and then click continue. This will start the download. After the download, tap on the downloaded APK file. Now tap on settings and then turn this setting on. Now go back and tap on install. After the installation, if you don't see this screen, tap on APK again and then tap on install. After the installation, do not open the Gcam app directly. Instead, open My Files. Now tap on internal storage and then create a new folder called Gcam with G in caps and cam in small letters. Now open Gcam folder and here you need to create a new folder called Configs 7. Now inside this Configs 7 folder, you need to place this XML file. The link to download this XML file is in the description, so you can download it and place the XML file inside this Configs 7 folder, which is present in the Gcam folder. Now open the Gcam app and allow all the permissions that you feel you should. And then double tap on this blank space. If you followed the instructions properly, you will see the XML file here. Now all you need to do is tap on update. This will restart the camera after applying the settings. Now you are ready to use the Gcam 7.4 on your Samsung Exynos device. Do test it and let me know if you face any issue with the Gcam. I will try to post an update on astrophotography mode via community posts, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. One more important thing is that you can also change a few settings and enable mode feature. For this, open settings, tap on about Gcam mode and turn on enable mode option. This will enable the mods configs creator option, which you can use to create your custom XML files just like the one I provided to you. So if you get the things working by changing a few settings, do create a modded XML file and share with us and others. That was all for now guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful, and if you did, please like this video and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day.